All right, everyone, we're getting ready to decorate this flock Christmas tree. I think this is a 4-foot flock Christmas tree. I have been wanting to do a Valentine's themed Christmas tree for a while. All of you have Miss Kaye to thank. I'm going to drop her link down in my description. Make sure you go to Miss Kaye, show her lots of love. She has a beautiful Valentine's themed Christmas tree in her home right now, and it's gorgeous. And she really inspired me to actually try it this year. I knew I already had all my large Christmas trees packed up, but I had this one out in the garage. So I'm going to decorate this 4-foot flock tree, and right now, as you can see, this tree is sitting on in my craft area by my paints as extra decor with my craft stuff. And I like to decorate throughout my little craft area too with Valentine's and different seasonal decor. So pretty much all the items that I have is from my local Dollar Tree. Some are DIYs. Let me see if I can see everything here. Okay. I have these DIY lollipops that I made. I have 2. These were inspired by Bargain Bethany. I love watching Bargain Bethany. She made these probably like a month ago, and I had to give it a try. This is my version of the lollipop. And I have these cute heart-shaped donuts. They are so cute. I have a bunch of them. They were actually a hanging sign, and it came with like 6 or 7 already attached. And one only thing that I did was attach my own ribbon to it to make it like an ornament. I had to get these. These were definitely worth $1.25. It was about 8 or 9 of these hung as a sign. So I took them apart, I DIY'd them, and I knew that I'll be able to fit some to my liking. And I also cut some roses. I have some roses in here that I'm going to decorate with also. So I'm going to take everything out of the box and sit it right here. I pray that everyone is doing well on today. We have snow again in our forecast for my area, which is sad to say. We just recently had snow about just honestly just this past weekend. We had snow, and a lot of the snow just really started melting, so it's just starting to like really come around. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot because it's a small tree. But one thing I am going to do, I'm going to start placing my donut theme ornaments. This year for Valentine's, I decided to go with like a sweet treat, pink candy, just a sweet thing, all sweets. So throughout my house, I have like a candy thing. Let's see if I can. This one right here says "so sweet," and I think I'm gonna put this one here. We have a bunch of different ones. It's just decorated regular. I'm gonna put this one up there too. I do not think I'm going to put lights. I don't think I'm gonna do lights at all. I don't think I'm gonna do any lights. Just doing some Valentine decor, that's it. No lights. Wonder if I should put this one over here. I'm gonna put this one right here to kind of like offset everything. All right, there we go. And I'm gonna let this one here be like my topper, like my tree topper. This donut one. Let's see if I can get it to position itself right. Y'all, my craft area has like a real high. I have like these big giant industrial shelving, and believe it or not, I'm on a step stool. I know a lot of you saw how I stepped down and stepped back up. I'm on a step stool. We're gonna add these roses in different areas. Like I always say, any of you that excuse me y'all for the cough, any of you that having snow in your forecast, drop it down in the comments below. I love to hear about any type of weather updates in your area. So as you can see, I'm placing all the flowers in random places. Random places. I think I'm gonna put one down here like that. And I think I'm gonna put one up here to the top. See if I can stick it in right there. Oh, it's too high. Oh, that's too. It's awesome. I love how it's turning out. It's simple, but it's cute. And I love the fact of its cuteness. I like stuff to be cute. And I like it to still be very festive, but not like overbearing with stuff. And it is coming out so good. I thought I needed to add extra flowers or more colors. I may not even have to use my lollipops, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna use the lollipops. I think the lollipops will like be too much because it is a small tree, and I just think the lollipops will probably be like too much. So what I'm probably gonna do is put my lollipops in another part of my decor. Y'all, I really think that's good. I don't think I even need to add any more flowers. I'm not going to add any lights. I'm just going to let all of you see exactly how it looks from here. Hold on for just a second. I'm getting ready to turn the camera. So I'm not going to use the lollipops. Y'all see the lollipops in like another theme part in my home, or this upcoming summer, or sometime I'm going to use these lollipops. I may not use it for this Valentine season, but I may use it for next Valentine season. I just want to turn the camera towards this area so you all can see what it looked like. It looks really good. I just thought the lollipops would go since my whole theme is sweets. But honestly, the lollipops would be too much. So I'm not going to do the lollipops. Sit those there. All right, hold on for just a second. I'm going to give you an overview of what the tree looks like. All right, this is an overview of, let me slide back, the tree itself. See how it looks. And I told y'all it's sitting on my little tier area with my craft stuff. It just came out so good. I love how it look. I love the colors. It is truly, truly beautiful. I love it. All right, this is a closer look. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Love y'all.